Gratefulness we obtain, all together we'll fly, bringing name up so high. We will march to the future of our youth, and honors for you. Let others tomorrow my youth be bold and heavenly, higher and overflow each we will march for the future of our youth, excellence and honors for you. Let others tomorrow my youth be bold and heavenly, higher and overflow each we will march for the future of our youth, excellence and honors for you. Let others tomorrow my youth be bold and heavenly, higher and overflow each let them be higher and overflow each
You may now take your seats.
before taking a peek, we often asked, is it worth the risk? This question profoundly affects our lives as we navigate numerous uncertainties and choices every day. Before I proceed to my message, let me take a moment to acknowledge the presence of each and every one of you here today, gathered together to celebrate this significant milestone with us. To our own Principal to Dr. Fortunata G. Permino, to our exemplary speaker, Dr. Jeremiah E. Escobanias, to our dedicated confirmation speaker, Dr. Wilbur P. Solito, to distinguished
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for that very kind introduction, Sir Ai. To our confirmation officer, Dr. Gilbert D. Solito, Chief Education Supervisor, to this institution.
Management Strand. 77 Humanities and Social Sciences Strand. 161 are from Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood track, composed of 37 Home Economics Strand and 43 Carpentry and 36 EIN and Industrial Arts Strand. And we have 39 AFA strand. I would certify that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum for school year 2023-2024. They are now ready for the confirmation and approval of their graduation, sir.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the school's division superintendent and upon the recommendation of your principal, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, I hereby confirm and approve your graduation this 30th day of May 2024. As such, you are now entitled to all rights and privileges appertaining thereto. Congratulations!
Congratulations, graduates of class 2024. To read to us the Deputy Secretary's message, let us listen to Dr. Gilbert D. Solito, Chief Education Supervisor, School Governance and Operations Division. We would like to request everyone to please take their seats.
Vice President and Secretary of the Department of Education, mga kababayan, ladies and gentlemen, mahalin natin ang Pilipinas. Buong puso ko pong binabati ang ating mag-aaral na nagsipat tapos ngayon sa senior high school ng isang maligayang pagtatapos. Congratulations sa inyong lahat. Alam ko marami kayong pinagdaanan bago ninyo narating ang araw na ito. Hindi mabibilang ang gabi ng pagsusunog ng kilay. Mahabang panahon na ginugol sa pag-aaral. Pagsusumikap na pumasa at makatapos ng lahat ng takdang aralin upang makapagmarsa sa araw na ito. Saludo ako sa inyong tipay ng puso at lakas na binuhos ninyo para magtapos na siya rin magbubukas ng bagong pagkakataon para lalong mapagtibay ang inyong hinaharap. Batid ko na hindi madaling abutin ang ating mga pangarap. Dagdag pa rito ang mga kailangan i-konsidera tulad ng pinansyal na pangangailangan para lamang makapag-aral. Ngunit naniwala ako na na ang pagbabago ng kinabukasan ng ating bayan ay nasa kamay ninyo. Lahat tayo ay may kanya-kanyang pangarap. Mga nais patunayan sa sarili at mithiin maging makabuluhang mamamayan. Lagi ninyong tandaan na ang inyong pagsusumikap para maging mabuting mamamayan, maging kapag-ipinabang at kahangahangan ay malaking bagay para sa ating komunidad. Sa inyong pagpatuloy sa buhay, sa pagtatrabaho man o paulang pag-aaral sa kolehiyo, hangad ko ang inyong tagumpay. Sa ating mga minamahal na mga magulang, binabati ko rin kayo at pinasasalamatan. Ang tagumpay ng inyong mga anak at ang inyong mga kinupok ay tagumpay nyo rin.